Hi guys, I'm Tejal Narkar and this is my first attempt in creating a YouTube tutorial. I will be creating a waterfall chart using Tableau. I'm sure people who are seeing this video are already accustomed to this tool, and if you're not, don't worry, I'll be rolling out many videos in order to explain how to use Tableau. The reason I chose waterfall chart was because it was very famous in my company and people came up to me and kept asking me like how do you create a waterfall chart. So I thought let me start with this particular chart. Um, Waterfall charts are very useful. They can be used to show how a measure changes over a period of time or a category. You can clearly distinguish between, when there is a positive change or a negative change using this chart. So let us start with building this chart. I will be using profit as my measure. So let me pull profit to rows and I'll be using subcategory as my dimension. So I just pulled the subcategory over there. We need a running total of the measure. So right click on that or click on the arrow there and then go to quick table calculation and click on running total. Also, you need a total on the right hand side. So go to analytics, double click on totals. Um, you have it on the right hand side already. In case if it comes on the left, you can get it on the right by going to analysis, totals, and rows, and then uncheck this thing, rows total to the left. Okay. The next thing we need to do is convert this chart into a gang chart. So click on this arrow right here and then select gang bar. Now you need to get the bars. In order to do that, we need to create a calculated measure. So right click on anywhere in the data column and then select create a calculated field. Give it a name, negative profits, which is essentially the negation of the actual profit value. Click on OK. Now pull that into the size pill over here. See, now you have your bars and you can see like when it is going down, like for example here the profit is going down, even here the profit is going down. So in order to make it more easy to read, you can add colors to it. For example, you can show negative profits with red and positive profits with green. I would like to replace green with black because it's my favorite color. um, so what you need to do is pull the profit to colors and then you have the colors in place. You can always go back to colors and select different colors that you want. As I told you, I'll be going with black and red, so I chose black and red. You can uncheck this and have a gradation of colors. You can check this and have stepped color scheme, that is you just have two distinct colors. So just write two over here and then apply and then click OK and you have your waterfall chart. You can also add actual profit values over here so that you can just look at the chart and get the values. So pull the profit to label and you'll have your numbers right there. Now it's more easy to read. So this is how you create a waterfall chart. Thank you.